Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a client series, so I'm just gonna hop straight into the details of this video. This is my client. Y'all, I'm sorry if this video, like the audio is kind of delayed, so I'm just gonna kind of talk a little bit. So I'm priming her eyelids with this e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive. Recently I've noticed that it's really the quality of the concealer that matters versus the color, because even if I do use a concealer close to my skin tone or my client's skin tone, I still get the pigmentation that I am going for. So just make sure you guys grab a good concealer. I'm taking my Blissful Treat palette from Yummy Cosmetics, and I'm grabbing this blue called Cloudy, and I'm packing that into her crease on an E17. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I was looking a little patchy, I was getting a little scared, but you guys see how I'm just constantly packing it on until it's as bold as I want it to be. So right here I picked up a light blue from the James Charles palette, and then I picked up the sky blue from the Take Me Back to Brazil on the M506, but it doesn't really matter as long as you have a lighter blue to blend that one out. Quick tip, if you're having trouble blending out the dark color you packed on first, use that same brush you used to pack it on, but don't dip into any more products and blend the color out. Try your best to get rid of those harsh lines without taking the color up towards the brow too much. We already know that I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation to cut my crease, so I'm using the same thing on her. I'm just going to go ahead and cut her crease halfway. This is the first time I've cut someone else's crease, and I'm not gonna say it was hard, but you want to put some concealer on your client and then just have them look straight up. So that'll kind of mark how far up you need to cut. Yeah, I should have did that, but it's alright. Oh y'all, I don't even know if y'all noticed, but don't mind that foundation around her jawline. I was testing some on her and I forgot to wipe them off before I started doing her eyes. Let's get into this pigment. Y'all, this pigment is from Glo Glittaz. It's from her neon stacker. When I tell y'all, these pigments are so smooth, they are not patchy, they literally go on so even. Like, I love them. So that's what I'm using. I'm using the green, obviously. I'm just cutting her crease again. It's almost about time for me to invest in some neon eyeliners, because mixing mediums, which is what you would mix with the loose pigment, they make the pigments appear too dark. So that's why I don't like using those. And also they crack, like it makes it crack. Now I'm grabbing that same blue from earlier on the same E17, and I'm just blending that harsh line from the concealer. This gold pigment is from Omas Cosmetics. When I tell you how I love her pigments, y'all, she had a sale where all her pigments were $1, and I literally was about to buy 10 each. Like, y'all, I really love these pigments. But I just put that all over her eyelid as a base or foundation for that gold glitter, which is also from Glo Glittaz. It came out of the Summer Glow Box, I believe that's what it's called. But to lay that glue, I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. If you guys didn't know, I do have a coupon code with Glo Glittaz. It's Kirsten0, where you can get 20% off of $20 or more. So I will make sure I link all my coupon codes down below. I'm just putting on some mascara, and these lashes are from Glo Glittaz as well. I'm not sure what style they are, but I will make sure I list literally every single product down below. Alright, moving on to her face. I'm priming with the Fenty Ever Matte Primer. I'm using the Milani foundation, literally out of Walmart, y'all. When I tell y'all, this is my first time trying this foundation, even though it wasn't on myself, but it's such full coverage. And I've seen and heard so many people brag on it, but it's so good. And she's in the shade Nutmeg. So once I got that blended, I mixed some more of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I mixed Deep Olive and Deep Chestnut, and I just applied that with that same Real Techniques brush that I used to blend the concealer on her eyelids. I just started using brushes on my clients instead of sponges because it gives off a full coverage look, which I prefer versus a sponge. Alright, you guys, so I'm setting her with this Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade light medium, or the shade 20, same thing. So originally I contoured her with this Sistar Cosmetics contour palette, but I feel like it wasn't dark enough, so I think later on in the video you'll see me go back with the Fenty bronzer in the shade Coconutty. And yeah, she's a makeup artist herself, and she gave me some very helpful tips as far as blending contour and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have to share that with y'all. And I'm just adding some eyeliner to her waterline, and I'm taking I don't know what brush this is, but I'm picking up a matte black eyeshadow, and I'm literally smoothing just a little bit of that out. I also smoothed out some of that blue that I packed into her crease first. Yeah, I'm gonna list all the brushes in order and what I use them for. Yeah, this is the same powder I used to set her face. I'm just tracing the bottom of her contour. Moving on to highlighter, I'm taking this highlighter from Fearless Faces in the shade Gold Rush. And then I set her with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. You might be wondering why I went ahead and set her. Really, it's because I want the highlight to pop a little bit more, and that's usually what you do. You would spray your brush or the face and then add some more highlighter. So So this lip liner is from Nabi, I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure which color it is, but I'll make sure I'll link it below as well. For the actual lip color, I used the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Cookie Butter. I'm adding some blush just to add some more color to her face. This one is from Sistar Cosmetics, and I will link it below as well. And that's it for this look. I really love how it turned out. I hope you guys loved it too. She loved it. Also, you guys, let me know what colors or what looks you guys want to see on some more clients, because I will be doing some more. Like I said, I'm doing a whole series. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give me a huge thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.